Is there an Eli in there somewhere? Is there an Eli in there somewhere? No. Oh, bless you.
That's a cough, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Are you having fun with all your stuffed animals?
I have my socks on, so I'm not officially naked. Right? I got a snake in my mouth. Yeah? How many stuffed animals can you pile on top of one baby? Let's see. There you are.
Hi. Do you want the snake out of your way so you can play with the other one?
Oh, he seems to be liking to eat it. Yeah. Hey, buddy. There you go.
You want the snake off?
Bless you. He was plugging your nose up. Yeah.
You want Blah Blah back? Here he is. Here's Blah Blah. Grab him. Get him. Get Blah Blah. There you go. Oh, you want him back? There he is.
Oh, it's a hug. That's very sweet.
You get Blah Blah. Oh. Blah Blah's as big as you are. Yeah, I hope you haven't peed on Blah Blah. Should we put your diaper on?
Diaper time?
Huh?
Okay.
Should we say goodbye?
That's fun.
Oh, we don't have to put your diaper on if we don't want to. Okay, this is the longest video ever. Sorry. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye. Oh, is there a smile? Oh!